Hey guys, so we decided to take a walk in the mall.
This is the only fresh air we can get.
Because I'm feeling a bit tired and macam lesu, so kita pergi jalan-jalan dekat mall. Bau dia sebiji macam cloud.
No, smells.
Now more to chocolate.
It depends on your body.
Dia react dengan body macam mana kan? Wait, very weird I hold.
Is that how you're supposed to hold?
Oh, bila kita bau dekat sini macam lain tau. But actually bila dah in contact with the skin, bau dia a bit gourmand macam tu.
Yeah.
Both of these perfume tak ada dalam Malaysia. That's why we decided to buy this one. Right, Divya?
It's matching.
Okay, end of our review. Sebab surrounding now macam pasar malam. So the first mochi. We're gonna do like a review. Try the big one.
Big one. Sebenarnya akan ada flavour ni. Tengok.
Payah nak. So actually banyak flavour kan?
Banyak flavour ya.
Smell the heat.
Full cream.
Macam sedap.
Bukan biscuits ni. Chocolate.
Kena cut sih.
Now you guys wonder kenapa aku tak buat vlog seperti bodoh ni.
Okay, actually bila dah sampai middle, dia sedap tau.
See, ada macam dia dah bite off the chocolate. Terus sedap.
Okay, what would you rate?
Out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 6. Dia sedap. Tapi dia macam tak bagi. Dia macam kurang sabar. So you one side you makan macam ni. You makan yang ni. Dia dekat. Tengok baju you. Kau mengecat. Oh, dengar tu nak habiskan. Tak, dia sebab sama gelap. We're back after cleaning up.
Okay, the second
Type of mochi. So is it? Biasa? Solid. Kalau for nak rasa, okay lah. Tapi untuk repeat purchase tak. No. Itu je guys untuk kita review. So until then, see you guys. Salah. We'll see you guys until then.
until that 2 months later, 3 months later,
Nobody knows
nobody
when.
knows.
But we'll see you until then. Bye. It depends on my relation.